may arise from achieving this goal, from meeting customer and staff expectations, managing operating costs, ensuring safety and security.
Connecting suppliers, employees, third parties, including third-party producers, logistics providers,
enables operability with other systems, scalable to fit future needs, in compliance with all regulations and at the forefront of innovation in the Nordic region. We're
decision on the direction of the business. I'm responsible for managing the definition and delivery of major